in the floor. Soon you're cutting off your hair, and I'm lying to your face. There's something in the air that we'll be trying to replace. But please, please, don't listen to me, 'cause I don't know what I'm saying. Please, please, don't listen to me, 'cause I don't know